Start menu isn't working. How to fix it? Here is a quick guide if your laptop or desktop start menu is not working. Fix number 1. Restart your computer. The simplest fix first. A restart resolves the issue most of the time. Fix number 2. Restart Windows Explorer. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Then find Windows Explorer in the list. Right-click it and select Restart. Wait a few seconds and try the Start menu again. Fix number 3. Run the System File Checker. Press the Windows key plus R and type CMD, that's the command prompt. Then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter, select Run as administrator. Type this command SFC, scanno, and press Enter. Wait for it to finish, then restart your PC. Fix number 4. Re-register the Start menu via PowerShell. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, click File and select New Task. Type PowerShell. Check Create this task with administrative privileges. Click OK. Paste this command and press Enter. Get Apps Package, all users. Wait for it to complete and restart your PC. Fix number 5. Create a new user account. Sometimes your user profile is corrupted. Press CTRL plus Shift plus ESC. Go to File, then Run New Task. Type NetPlwiz and press Enter. Add a new user account. Log into it and check if Start menu works there. Fix number 6. Run Windows Update. An outdated Windows version can cause this issue. Press Windows plus I to open settings. Go to Windows Update and check for updates. Install all available updates and restart your PC. Fix number 7. Reset or repair Windows. If nothing works, go to Settings, then System, then Recovery. Choose Reset this PC and select Keep My Files to avoid losing personal data. Pro tip: make sure Windows is activated and avoid third-party Start menu apps. Hit the subscribe button and follow for more tech tips.